Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing some gold 1 ounce Britannias from the Royal Mint. So here we are, we're just opening up one of the monster boxes. This is the gold monster box, so it's going to contain 100 of the 1 ounce gold Britannias, cutting through the sort of cable ties and trying very hard and desperately to open this in as smooth a way as possible and failing miserably. There was a little sticker on that side that I had to cut through, but there we go. So this is how they come. They come in tubes of 10 with that lovely little Royal Mint sealing on the tubing there. And this is what's inside the 2025 1 ounce Gold Britannia. They are available at the moment online, capital gains tax exempt, VAT free, and really, really popular coins amongst our UK investors. Snap the lid shut, put that back in place and forget to add the lid, but there we go. That's the coins there for you. You can order yours online at hatandgardenmetals.com.